Welcome back to the session. Exercise 1.3. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which have non-terminating repeating decimal. First one is 3 by 8. Second one is 229 by 400 and third one is 4 1 by 5. Fourth one is 2 by 11 and fifth one is 8 by 125. That is here it is in the form of P by Q. Now we have to convert these into decimal form. After converting the decimal form, we have to try which one is terminating and which one is non-terminating repeating decimal. And this first one is what? 3 by 8. That is, we have to divide 3 with 8 here. Now, here it is what? 3 is less than 8. That's why I am taking here decimal 0 point, that is 30. Now it is what? 8 3s are 24. Now 30 minus 24, that is 10 minus 4 equals to 6 here, 2 minus 2 0. Again 6 is with 8. 6 is not divisible by 8. Now again I am taking here 0. Now it is what? 8 7s are 56. Now 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Here 5 minus 5, 0. Now again I am taking 0. 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 equals to 0. Now 3 by 8 is equals to what? 0.375. This is what? Terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. Next, second one is 229 by 400. That is, we have to divide 229 with 400. Now, it is what? 229 is less than 400. That's why I am taking here 0 point, here 0. 400 5s are 2000. Now subtract these two. Here 0, 9 minus 0, 9. Here 2 minus 0, 2. Here 2 minus 2, 0. Now 290 with 400. 290 is less than 400. Again I am taking here 0. Now 400 7s are 2800. Now it is what? 2900 minus 2800 is equals to 100. Now again 100 is not divisible by 400 because 100 is less than 400. Again I am taking here 0. Now 400 2s are 800. Now 1000 minus 800 is equals to what? 200. Now 200 is not divisible by 400. That's why I am taking here 0. That is 400 5s are 2000. 400 5s are 2000. Now it is equals to what? 2000 minus 2000 is 0. That is 229 by 400 equals to 0.5725. 0.5725. That is what? This is what? Terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. And next one is what? Third one, that is 4 1 by 5. 4 1 by 5. It is equals to what? This is what? Mixed fraction. How you write this here? 4 plus 1 by 5. That is 4 plus 1 by 5 equals to what? That is the decimal form of 1 by 5 equals to what? 0.2. How it is? Once here we have to divide 1 with 5 here. Here 1 is less than 5. That's why here 0. Here 5 2s are what? 10. That is 0. Reminder. That is 1 by 5 is equals to what? 0.2. 4 plus 0.2 equals to what? 4.2. This is what? Terminating decimal. This is also terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. One is what? Fourth one, that is 2 by 11. Fourth one is 2 by 11. We have to divide 2 with 11 here. Now once you see here 2 is less than 11, that is 0 point here 0. 11 ones are 11 and here 10 minus 1 equals to what? 9. Here 1 minus 1 0. Now 9 is less than 11, 0. That is 11 8s are 88. Now it is what? 10 minus 8 equals to what? 2. That is 0. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. Again I am taking here 0. Now it is what? 11 ones are 11. Again 10 minus 1 equals to what? 9. Here 1 minus 1 0. Now again what? Here 11 8s are 88. Now again 10 minus 8 equals to what here? 2. That is 0. That is, this is repeating the process. Again 20 means here again 11 ones are 11. That is 2 by 11 is equals to what? 2 by 11 equals to, this is repeating. That is 0.1818 so on. That is 2 by 11 equals to 0.18 bar. This means what here? This decimal form is what here? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. This is 18 is repeating decimal. Then this is what? Non-terminating. This is continuing. That's why it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. This is non-terminating. This is non-terminating. Repeating. This is non-terminating and repeating decimal form. And take this 8 by 125 as homework. Next one is, without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. In this first one is given as 13 by 3125. Here, without doing the division, we have to state which one is terminating and which one is non-terminating. Then how you decide without doing the division here? That is, if the denominator is in the form of, that is 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, if the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then it is what? Terminating decimal. If the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then it is what? Non-terminating repeating decimal. Once see the denominator is what here? 3125. Then once you see here, that is, first you write this is in the form of what? Product of prime factors. That for that, here I am taking 5. That is 5 6 are how much? 30. Remaining 1 here. That is 12 here. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now again this is what? 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. This is 5 5s are 25. That is 3125 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 is repeated here how many times? 5 times. That is, it is equals to what? 5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of 5 means here, this is in m value is what here? 5. And 5 to the power of 5. That is, the denominator is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, if it is 2 power n means in nth place the value is what? Here 0. That is, n comma m are what? Non-negative integers. That is 3125 is written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m is that is 2 power 0 into 5 to the power of what? 3125 equals to 5 to the power of 5. This is 2 power n into 5 power m form. That's why it is what? The denominator is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. That's why write here the denominator is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, that is the given one is what? 13 by 3125. This is what? If it is 2 power n into 5 power m, then the given form is which one? That is terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. This is terminating decimal form. That is 13 by 3125 is terminating decimal form. 13 by 3125 is terminating decimal. Next one is 11 by 12, 64 by 455, 15 by 1600, 29 by 343. These also we have to write which is terminating and which one is non-terminating without performing the actual division. That is, once you see here, second one is what? 11 by 12. Once you see the denominator part here, 12 is equals to, how you write this here? That is 4 3s are 12. That is 2 square into 3. That is the denominator is not in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. That is the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. That is, here it is what? 2 square into 3. That's why 11 by 12 is what? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Therefore, 11 by 12 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Next, see here, third one is what? 64 by 455. Third one, 64 by 455. That is, first convert the denominator part into 2 power n into 5 power m form. That is 455. First with 5. That is what? 5 9s are what? 45. And here 5 1s are 5. And next with what here? 7 1s are 7. Remaining is here 2. That is 7 3s are 21. And that is 455 is written as what? 5 into 7 into 13. 455 is equals to 5 into 7 into 13. That is, it is not in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. That's why 64 by 455 is also what? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, 64 by 455 is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating decimal form. Do this 15 by 1600 and 29 by 343 as homework. Next one is 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5, and 9 by 15, 36 by 100 and 77 by 210. That is, first one is what? 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Once you see the denominator part, this, the denominator is if the form what? 2 power n into 5 to the power of m. That's why it is what? Terminating decimal. If the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal form. But here the denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square is terminating decimal. Is terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. The same way, do this 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 is as homework. And next we will discuss about 8th one, that is 9 by 15. 8th one is 9 by 15. That is, it is equals to what? Once you see this, 9 by 15 is, after the cancellation, this is what? 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. That is, it is equals to 3 by 5. That is, the denominator is in the form of what? That is 5 power 1. That is 2 power n into 5 power m form. That is, in nth place it is 0 and mth place it is 1. That is 2 power 0 into 5 power 1. That's why it is what? Terminating decimal, because the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. The denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, 9 by 15 is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Next one is 36 by 100. 9th one is 36 by 100. That is, the denominator is here 100. Then how you write this denominator here? 4 25s are 100. 4 means here it is written as 2 square and 25 is written as what? 5 square. That is, the denominator is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m. It is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. power n into 5 power m. That is 36. The denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore 36 by 100 is what? Terminating decimal. Therefore 36 by 100 is terminating decimal. That is, in this model, without performing the division, if you convert the denominator in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then we can easily find out which one is terminating and which one is non-terminating. If it is 2 power n into 5 power m form, that is, the denominator is converted into the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then we say that it is what? Terminating decimal. If it is not converted into 2 power n into 5 power m, then we say that it is what? Non-terminating repeating decimal. Do this 77 by 210 as homework.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.